Say hello to everybody. Say we have developed some hand-eye coordination. Oh, you just did a crunch. You just did a crunch. Get it. Get it. Ooh. Sit up. Get those toys. You see them? That's good. What are you looking at? Give us a smile. Give us a smile. Give us a smile. Give Mommy a smile. Who's Precious? Ethan is. Yeah. Oh, who loves you? Mommy does, and Daddy does, and Mimi does, and Aunt Kimmy does, and Aunt Doggy does, and Uncle Nick and Uncle Chris. And Grandma B does, and Obi does, and Grandpa does, and Papa Bear does, and Papa Panther does. Oh, so much love. You don't even know what to do with yourself, do you? Oh, oh, oh. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Oh. Tell us all about it. Tell me. Tell me. Ethan James, 3 months old. What's today? Is today your 3-month birthday? Or is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Oh.
Today's the 29th.
Oh. Somebody's 3 months old tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. Get him out of there, Daddy. Sleepy, sleepy. Somebody needs a bath. Somebody needs a bath. Nope. There you go.
You're still shooting a film?
Yes. It's a long film.
Did you get Fatima?
No.
Oh, she heard her name.
Fatima?
She had her eyes closed. She was sleeping.
Oh,
I said her name and she's opened up.
There's the pictures Kimmy made for us. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, 4 minutes is enough. Bye-bye.